How was your experience at Inspire?
My experience here was great. I was a little apprehensive because I've tried other programs before, but I had a different mindset when I started this one, and I just said I'm going to follow the plan and be extremely disciplined.
That's awesome. So what were your results?
I lost 25 pounds 6 weeks.
In 6 weeks.
Yeah, 6 weeks.
Great. And a ton of inches, right?
Yes, and my pants fit again, and I have a lot of room. I could put both hands in my pants.
That's so good. Now, what would you like to share with the world?
If you're on the fence, I'm going to tell you that this experience reminded me of something my cousin told me years ago. And it's lo paga ahora en comida o más tarde en pastillas, which means you either pay for it now in food or later in pills. So I really had that mindset, and I learned a lot, and I challenged myself to be better to myself and give myself the things that I need in order to flourish. So I feel better. My knees do not crack every time I get off the couch.
That is awesome.
Those little things make a big change, and
Yes.
I'm sleeping better. So I feel better. It was a struggle. It's hard in the beginning, just like anything else, but you're worth it, and you should invest the time and the energy into yourself.
So good. We are so happy for you. We're so proud of you, and thank you for sharing.
Thank you.